Today I'm reviewing the HP printer ink black number 63. It's important to know that you want to use the HP product. Why? Well, first of all, it's better. You're going to get better quality and more uses out of it than the knockout. I know it's not as cheap, but also you might buy the other cartridges and they may not work. We tried them and we put it in and the printer knew right away it was not genuine HP material. There is stuff inside these ink cartridges that go through and let the printer know that it is genuine HP ink, because this is where they make their money. So with this, you want to make sure you use them. Well, usually when you first buy your printer, you're going to get an economy ink. People don't tell you that. So the economy ink does run dry a lot quicker than what you're going to buy here. Here you're looking at 190 pages. It's hard to say. Some people might say, hey, it lasts for a year, and other people might say it lasts for a month. It really depends on how much you're going to print. The more picture quality stuff, the more black ink you're going to use. Here's a quick printout just to give you an idea, to show you the black lines, that how well it prints. And it is subject to the printer, but that'll give you an idea of the print quality. Next, I want to go through and show you how I installed it in my printer. Just to give you an idea, we have an HP 3830 DeskJet all-in-one. Here you can go through and just push the side and it'll open the area, the latch door, and then under there, there's another latch kind of pull. And at that point, the printer will signal that you're replacing the ink and move it so you can go ahead and put it in. You want to make sure the cap of the ink is facing up and just slide it in, and then you're going to just push a little more and you should hear it click into place. After that, you want to go ahead and close both doors, and it's going to go through and ask you to give it a moment to align. It may print out a copy of the paper that I just showed you, and then what you do is you put that paper on the scanner itself and have it scan. That's aligning it to make sure everything is right. If the alignment is off, this is going to correct it. So if it's printing a little too far on one side of the page or something like that, not only is this going to replace your ink, but it's going to fix that issue going forward. And that's everything you need to know about the HP 63 printer cartridge, except for what printers it works in. And it is listed, but if you need it, it is also here. My name is Kevin with Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this was helpful.